Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm trying to be calm and cool and collective and be like, you know, I'm just opening my Louis Vuitton nonsense. I'm like lit. I'm like trying to keep it cool though. I'm trying to be cool. Okay. I am about to unbox my birthday presents that I got for me because I love me. Yeah, like, I mean, of course, my family, my husband, my mother-in-law, my friends, like everybody just like went all out for me this year, and I'm so grateful. Like everybody I just love you guys. Like anyway, yeah. So 34. How cute is this balloon right here? That's cute. But yeah, let's talk about what Mama got for herself now. I am excited. Whoa. It wasn't even like stuck down or nothing. The UPS delivered it early this morning.
I said, Louis, Louis, all she ever talk about is Louis, Louis, all she ever talk about is Louis Vuitton. I said, Louis, Louis, all she...
And the little card thingy. Yeah, but instead, you know, when I turned 30, I got myself implants. I bought myself those, and they were very expensive. They were way more expensive than anything I have here. And I've always spent a lot of money on my birthdays, but I've just never bought like designer luxury things because it just never mattered. But then when we went to Vegas, I don't know what it is about Vegas. It's like so many, like, they not bougie. It's just you want to be, I don't know what it is. I got Vegas fever where I don't know. I wanted a lot of the things that I saw when I was there. I went inside of Gucci. Of course, I'm not buying Gucci. I never have, but now that I'm going to buy luxury sometimes, not all the time, I'm still not going to buy Gucci. That blackface thing was just enough for me. And, but I went in and I loved so much stuff inside of Gucci. But, yeah, like me going there and like spending most of my money on food and gambling and not really being able to buy anything from the like luxury places where I saw things that I actually wanted and I didn't know that I wanted. It is so that I really wanted like so many more luxury. I just want luxury now after seeing it there. Or I don't know what it was. I want diamonds now after seeing so many there. Like, I don't know. You know, I've got really expensive taste, but the budget is like, girl, you gotta work off days. You gotta work like all your off days to get these things. But it's worth it, okay? It's worth it because I'm excited about unboxing all these things. And I do know exactly what this one is. I know what this one is. So I'm going to start with this and unbox this first. What? Wait, I guess I need to take a thumbnail picture. So let's just get all this stuff up here so that you people will actually click on the video. Wait, let's turn this right side up. Let's get this 3 and this 4. See, don't trip. That's why you about to go and sit down over here. After we take this thumbnail picture, you about to go on over there. See, I'm not very photogenic. But yeah, this has got to go over here now. So that we can open this and I can breathe at the same time and you're not like right in my face, sis. Okay, so the little card. Oh, guess what, guys? This is the little card or whatever. Okay. The first thing that I got, I don't really consider it luxury, but the first thing that I got like a month ago was the little Louis Vuitton notebook. And when I got it, of course it came with one of these. How about I put my registration in my car inside of this? I was like, what? That's cute, girl. Oh yeah, this is just nothing. This is nothing. How do you open this? Oh, pull out. Okay, sis. All right, come through with the Louis dust bag. Okay. Open sesame. Oh, baby, I've been waiting for you a long time. It's just the 25 mm, the mini, the monogrammed. Let's see you, sugar. Bless you. Ooh, I see you. That pretty gold hardware. Yeah, I got the 90, which was the longest because the lady that I spoke to on the phone when I called, she kind of made me feel like me being the size that I am, that I needed to go ahead and get the largest. So that's what I did. I got the largest one. Oh no, it's not. No, it's not reversible, so. Oh, that's cute. Okay, sis. Yes, come through. Okay, that's nice. What else, girl? What else did you get for yourself? Oh wait, why are you doing all that? You ain't even gotta do all that because it's another pull out. Guys, let's see what this is. Okay. This is how it comes. I'm trying to think of everything that I ordered and what this one is. Oh, I know. Oh, sugar dumpling. So, okay. I understand that this is expensive. It's like $180 or something like that. Like something ridiculous. And this is it. But you know, I don't plan to like rock this like, you know, that. I don't plan to do that. I plan to take like one of my off-brand Aldo bag like this. Act like that didn't fall down. Stuff my stuff back in there. And like make it go from Aldo to like bougie. You know what I'm saying? Like you can definitely do that. That's definitely what I'm gonna do. Yes, we've upgraded that bag. Like that's definitely an upgrade and I really like it. I really like the way it looks on this bag. You can see right here, and it's got the Louis Vuitton Paris right here. It's very nice. I love it. I've even seen it like, I've seen somebody wrap these like this, but go over and over all the way down. Cause honey, I will not be getting a Louis bag anytime soon. So girl, you better work with what you got. You better use that bando and bandu and do it like you do it. Cause honey, whew, that 26, I can't see it. Not currently anyway. Like certain things I just can't see. I couldn't see that. I can pretty much see almost, I can understand a lot of prices when it comes to shoes, but when it comes to like a pocketbook, nah son, I can't do it. It's not my thing. If it's your thing, it's your thing, but it's not my thing, you know? So, yeah, let's put this back. And yeah, the Aldo bag's probably less than $50. Well, probably like $50. I don't know what Aldo is, but it's an old one. But honey, I will put this thing on my Walmart bag. Let's talk about it. Let's be real. Say I won't put this on my Walmart bag. Say I won't, with this gold hardware, with these gold chains. Say I won't put this $180 or $190 thing on this $15 bag. Yes, I will. Yeah, I probably will do it. Untie it all the way. No, we're not, because it's still not working. What? I can't break my nails playing with this. Okay, guys, now we've got it unboxed. Oh, I love this dust bag, honey. My earbuds are gonna go inside of this. I can already tell you that. Yeah, because what's inside of here, I will be wearing all the time. So I will not need the dust bag. Ooh. Ooh. Chica, what's my... So we're going to put her on the left hand, mostly because I am right-handed and I don't think I'll be able to close it with the left. I got, I think, the largest one. The largest size, and it may be a bit too big. It feels a little large. Really not sure why I got the largest size. But it's okay because I have some hang time, a little bit of room. Like, I don't know if I like this much room though. Not to where it's coming down there. Last but not least, the big boy. The big boy. We've got the little card right here that nobody really needs. But hunty, baby, sugar darling. Oops. Don't fall, don't. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. Honey, what is that? Oh, from the bottom of the hill. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. You can see the patent leather part right there. And that says Louis Vuitton Paris on the inside of the shoe. And that's the monogram print. It's going to go around the ankle. I'm trying to hold the box right here because, like, if I drop it, like, the background, you can't really see the shoe really good. So, yeah. This is the heel. And I got a 39.5 because I consider myself a 9.5. And I'm going to drop it down to the floor so you guys can see me try it on. And we're going to see if a 39.5 is true to size.
I said Louis, Louis, all she ever talk about is Louis, Louis, all she ever talk about is Louis Vuitton.
Okay guys, that's all for my Louis Vuitton haul. My Louis Vuitton birthday haul. Like, I'm 34. Like, oh, God is so good. So good. And I'm just so grateful. Okay guys, you guys let me know if you want to see my wish list video. So you can see the bag that I actually want. And I want it so bad. Let me know if you want to see what I want so badly. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm excited that my husband, like, pampered me for the birthday. I'm excited that I pampered myself for the birthday. And, you know, my kids got me some really nice things, and my mother-in-law babysat for me while we went to Ruth Chris. And, you know, that's always very, very, very much so appreciated. And I got gifts from her and from everybody else. I mean, I've been like showered with love lately, guys. And I love everybody. So let's get ready for Easter now, okay? Bye.